In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add color in Airtable. To get started, open your Airtable base and go into the table where you want the colors to appear. This is important because just when the color settings are applied within the table and field you're actively working in. Once you're inside the right view, take a moment to look at your existing fields and decide where color will be the most useful. In many cases, color works best for things like status, priority, stage, or category because it makes your information easier to scan at a glance. Next, choose the field you want to use for color coding. The best option for this is usually a single select field because Airtable can display each option as a colored label. If you don't already have the right kind of field, make sure the field you're using is set up as a single select. This field type is especially helpful when you want clear, consistent visual labels across your records. After that, open the field settings for the selected field and go into the options area. This is where you can edit the choices in the field and assign colors to each one. As you review the options, think about using colors in a simple and meaningful way. For example, you may want one color for completed items, another for items in progress, and a different one for items that need attention. The goal is to make the table easier to understand without making it feel too busy. Once your option colors are set, apply the color choices you want for each label. Airtable will show those colors directly in the cells for that single select field, which gives your table a more organized and visual layout. Try to keep your color system consistent so it's easy to remember what each color means. If your Airtable plan supports it, you can also use record coloring. This allows you to color entire records based on rules rather than only showing color inside a single field. To do this, choose the record color setting and select the rule or field you want Airtable to use. This can be especially useful when you want important records to stand out more clearly in the table. Finally, review your table and make sure the colors display correctly. Scroll through your records and check that everything looks clear, readable, and consistent. If something feels confusing, adjust the colors until the system feels natural. When done well, color coding can make your Airtable workflow much faster and easier to manage.